If you want to take your storytelling and filmmaking skills to the next level in Blender, I have something special for you. Let me introduce you to Master Cinematic Storytelling by CG Boost. This comprehensive masterclass is designed to help you create stunning cinematic scenes and master the art of visual storytelling. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to craft compelling narratives through 3D art, from understanding cinematic fundamentals to mastering camera techniques and lighting. You'll gain the skills to bring your imagination to life. Imagine creating breathtaking sequences that captivate your audience and resonate emotionally. This course makes it possible. The Cinematic Storytelling Masterclass features over 9 hours of content divided into 3 parts: Art Fundamentals, Cinematic Fundamentals, and Cinematic Breakdowns. In the first part, you will start with the basics of visual storytelling, where you will learn about value, contrast, and depth to create visually striking scenes. You will explore color theory to evoke emotions and set the tone for your story. You will master the art of composition and lighting to frame your shots perfectly. In part 2, you dive deeper into filmmaking techniques. You will learn and understand how cinematic tools like lenses, shot types, and effects such as depth of field and film grain work. You will create dynamic camera movements that enhance your scenes, build complete cinematic sequences with multiple cameras and intercut shots. Then, in part 3, you will analyze real-world examples, break down cinematic shots from the course trailer, and learn how camera placement, lighting, and scene setup work together to create impactful visuals. So, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate artist, this course is tailored for you. It will start with a Blender primer, a chapter tailored for newcomers, ensuring you're comfortable with the software before diving into advanced topics. Plus, you'll get hands-on experience through practical projects that build your confidence every step of the way. You'll have access to downloadable project files, lifetime updates, and support whenever you need it. And with expert guidance from Martin Klekner, a filmmaker and CG artist with years of experience, you'll gain insights that will elevate your storytelling skills right there in Blender. You can save up to 20% by using the code EARLYBIRD20, which will be valid until the 2nd of May. Link in the description. So, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Cinematic Storytelling Masterclass by CG Boost.
I've got the artifact. The locals ain't too happy about it, though. Well, at least their aim is bad. But the storm's troubling me. So, how about picking me up?
Roger that. I'm coming in hot. No time for landing, though. You'll have to jump.
They don't pay me enough for this. I've got the artifact. The locals ain't too happy about it, though. So, how about picking me up?
Have no fear, the gathering is here.